This is Sandy Pitts here on Twister Ridge Ranch, and I want to show you today how to make our stuffed sausage, beef stuffed sausage mushroom caps as an appetizer. Now, on our website at Twister Ridge Ranch, you will find these recipes, and hopefully this blog will connect you to it. We also, you can find the ranch on Eat Wild. So give it a look. Anyway, we made some beef sausage the other day with our grass-fed beef, and it's really, really simple. I've taken and slightly defrosted the ones that I flash froze in the freezer, and now I'm taking a little pile of that sausage and just shoving it in to my mushroom. Now, I prepared these portobello mushrooms already, and forgot I need to spray my pan. Okay, it's all sprayed, and I'm using a canola oil. As I was saying before, olive oil is great, but olive oil doesn't handle high temperatures, and we're going to broil these or bake these at around 375, 400. So that's a little high for olive oil. So I'm going to put that little guy right there. I'm going to pinch off a little more, and I'm going to prepare the rest of these by stuffing this grass-fed beef, breakfast beef sausage into the caps of these portobello mushrooms. We'll be back in just a second when I'm done. Okay, we're going to put the rest of these sausages, they're partially thawed, so I'm going to leave them out for breakfast. I'm going to not leave them out, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator in the meat drawer for breakfast in the morning.
Yum.
And we're going to go over, as you always do when handling meat, we're going to wash our hands. Okay, got that done. Next thing we're going to do is I've got some Monterey cheese shredded, but you can use, if you want a little spicier, you can use pepper jack. You could use cheddar, but I'm going to really shove a lot of this on top of these. Okay, and we'll finish this up and see you in just a second, okay? Okay, I'm not being real neat with these. I'm just trying to really pack this cheese on. And once I get them all packed, then I'll take all the extra cheese off. Just really pressing it in there. A good pile of cheese. Okay. You want to pause it? Now, I'm going to spray some canola oil over the top of this, the cheese, and then I'm going to take and sprinkle some panko over the top of that. Just a little, just for a little added crunch. I'm just going to sprinkle a little of that over, just like this. Now we're going to hold the sprayer back a ways and spray again over the panko so it'll give it a little brown crust, just like that. Now, I love spice blends. Now, I make a lot of my own, and one day I'll go through some of my special spice bins. But in this particular case, I like this smoky mesquite. And so I'm just going to sprinkle some of that over the top of each one of these. Okay, I'm going to go to my air fryer now, which is just right over here.
Can't get you.
And I'm going to put these in my air fryer. And I'm going to just select my air fryer option on my unit, which basically is 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Now, I may not go all 20 minutes. I may stop at maybe start looking at 10 minutes, and then probably 10 to 15 is where it's going to be. So let's see what happens after that amount of time. Okay? Okay, we've got them finished, and they worked out real good, but the timing was actually 10 minutes at the 400 in my air fryer, but then after 10 I turned the temperature on my air fryer down to 350 for 5 more minutes, and they came out perfectly. So that's your breakfast beef sausage stuffed mushroom caps. And again, look us up at twisterridge.com. I think that's what it is. I'll check that out for sure. And again, hey, we sell grass-fed beef.